Good morning, students. I'm sure that you all have completed the question answers of chapter 1 in your copy. Now today we'll start the second chapter, that is physical features of India. Now in this map you can see India is a land of diversity in all manners. Here you can see the Himalaya mountain, the plains, the great plains of India, okay, the desert here, and as we go down you can see this is the plateau area, the Deccan plateau area, okay, these all are the plateau area, Bagelkhand, and we also have the coastal plains of India, the western coastal plains and the eastern coastal plains, and we also have the Lakshadweep group of islands, and this side we have the Andaman Nicobar group of islands. Okay, so that means India is land of diversity in all manners, from culture, economy, and even the landscape of India has diverse elements, all on one landmass. The wide range of physical features of India makes the country a complete geographical study. In fact, India has very possible landscape that the earth has, from cold mountains to the arid deserts, the vast plain, hot and humid plateau, and the wide sea, okay, and tropical islands that I have shown you. The physical features of India cover every terrain. So before I start the chapter, here are some important terms for you which is related with this topic. These all are very important to you. Okay, so you all will write in your copy, okay, all these 10 important terms, and also you memorize it. So the first is rock formation. What is rock formation? This is the result of weathering and erosion of existing rocks. Okay, rock formation. And you know that the rock formation is a very lengthy process, weathering and erosion. Number second is lithospheric plates, that is also called tectonic plates. So what are lithospheric plates? The pieces of rigid landmass floating over liquid magma, generally composed of both continental as well as oceanic lithosphere. Okay, so this tecton means builder. Okay, so tectonic plates are the builder plates. Third is the geological periods. What is geological periods? A unit of geological time during which a system of rocks is formed. Okay, a unit of geological time during which a system of rock is formed is termed as geological periods. Next is folding. What is folding? Warping, that is bend, okay, or fold of rocks due to compressional forces. That term is folding. Then faulting, development of cracks on the earth's surface due to stress. That term is faulting. Okay, cracks are developed due to stress. And then next is plate boundaries. Plate boundaries are the location or the edges where two plates, okay, continental or oceanic plates, they meet. Those places are termed as plate boundaries. Then weathering, the mechanical and chemical breakdown of rocks by the action of wind, water, glaciers. Okay, so if the rocks are broken by these agents like wind, water, that process known as weathering. And erosion. Erosion is what? Weathering, that is breaking, as well as transportation. The weathered materials are also transported by this wind, water, or glaciers. So that is erosion, and that is the difference between weathering and erosion. Weathering is only the breaking down, that is weathering, but erosion is the transportation of those weathered particles, okay, or the rocks. Next is geosyncline, a term used for a subsiding linear trough that was caused by the accumulation of sedimentary rock strata deposited in a basin and subsequently compressed, deformed and uplifted into a mountain range. So that geosyncline was the Tethys geosyncline, a sea. Okay, there was only one sea, geosyncline, that was the Tethys Sea. Next is Gondwana land. So there was only one supercontinent in the world. Okay, now we can see today there are 7 continents. So there are only one supercontinent, Pangaea, and the southern part of this supercontinent Pangaea was the Gondwana land, and the northern part of this was known as the Angara land. Gondwana land, the southern part, and the Angara land is also called Laurasia. That was the northern part of this supercontinent. And next is relief. The variations in elevation of an area on the Earth's surface, like plain, plateau, mountain, they are the relief features. Okay, the variations in elevation of an area on the Earth's surface, like plain, plateau, and mountain.